How to fix missing apps on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open your drawer on your phone if it's available. Search for the apps in here. If you don't find it, click on Search Apps at the top. In there, you can search your app. If it still does not show up in here, open Settings. In Settings, click on Apps and Notifications. In Apps and Notifications, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on See All Apps in here. After you've clicked on See All Apps, scroll down in this list and search for the app. If you don't find it, click on the arrow which can expand at the top. Then click on Install Apps. Scroll through your installed apps if it's there. If not, again click on the arrow at the top and then simply click on Disabled Apps. Sometimes the apps will be disabled and you will find it in here as well. If it still does not fix your problem, what you can do is go back from the setting and then open Play Store. In Play Store, search for the app. And if it's not installed, you can install it. Or simply press on Open from here. If it still does not fix your problem, click on your power button, then restart your device. After it's restarted, open Settings. Scroll down and click on System in your settings. In System, click on System Updates, which is at the bottom. After you click on System Updates, if there are any updates available, update your app. Sometimes not updating your device may cause some issue. This is how to fix missing apps on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.